Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue not recognizing MIDI device. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go to system, select about. Under about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system you can find new option called developer options. Set it. These are a list of developer options. Go down and select networking section. See, under networking select USB configuration, and here we can enable MIDI. Go down, let me enable, done. And later if you want to disable, you can select another option from the list. See, so this way we can fix that issue. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.